What's up guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to install Evil Energy's hardline compression fitting adapter. So let's get into it. To start, I want to make sure I good seal from the compression adapter onto the hardline. So what I did is I cut off maybe 1/4 of an inch to make sure I had a nice surface for the hardline fitting to go onto. All I did was use a pipe cutter. It's really easy to use. Now I got this piece cut off, you can see how mangled that was. Now when I flip this from what I cut off, you can see how clean this end is, and that's what the end looks like on the car. So it's a nice surface for that hardline fitting adapter to go onto. Now that we got that all ready, we can install this compression fitting. So what you do is you take this end, slide it over the hardline. Once that's on, you take this ferrule and put it into there over the hardline. Then you take this and screw it into that end, and what that does is it takes that ferrule and crushes it and pulls everything together to make a seal. Now that I kind of gave you guys a quick rundown of how that goes, here's me installing it on the car. So once again, you slide this over the hard line. You're going to take the ferrule here, put that over it. Once that's on, you're going to take the other end of it that threads into there, just like so. And once again, it just pulls everything tight together and makes a seal. Here's the finished product and what it looks like all done. You will use 2 3/4 inch wrenches to lock it down, and to lock it down, I just went as tight as I could possibly go to make a seal. I want to show you guys once again how to install this in case you missed anything in the first clip. I honestly think this is a better angle and it shows me doing everything. I just sped it up a little bit. Evil Energy also has an installation guide on their YouTube that's very useful if you guys want to go check that out. I saw I'd make my own. Here I am with the 3/4 inches, making sure everything's tight and sealed. And once again, I cannot thank Evil Energy enough for sending all this out. I'm very excited to get the car going with their fuel line and fittings. Thank you guys.